Hey, let's get it. Skirt. I get to the money, I run up a bag. You know I stay fresh and I stay with a swag. Rocket designer supreme in my bag. I stop to the shop and I give me some swag. Skirt, 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 skirt. I stay fresh, gang.
Alright, so today I have my little client. He's 5 years old. He has a man bun, so we're going to give him a design and a fade. So I'm going to start out with putting the design in, just because it's going to give me a guide for how I want to do my fade, and I really want the design to stand out, so I'm going to do that first. I'm going to just speed the rest of this up because the design work is just kind of like just the flow of however your hand goes. I've learned that. It took me a while, and it's still taking me a little time to figure out how you really master the designs, but I'm getting there. So let me know what y'all think, and I'm just gonna speed this up a little bit. Okay, so as always, I'm going to make my guide before I start fading, because I am going to do a ball fade. I'm really just fading half of his head because my design is taking up the other side of his head. So I'm going to take my clippers and I'm going to open them kind of midway, and I'm going to make my next guide. I'm only going to go up like maybe a ½ an inch just so I can get that fade started. Okay, so now I have my half guard, and I'm going to go up a ½ an inch. I'm going to make another guideline. This is, like I said, we've done this before, so it's kind of just repetition. And as you see already, I have a brush in my hand. You will never catch me without a brush in my hand. But as you can see, it's starting to fade here now. After this, I'm going to take my 1, and I'm going to go up some more. I'm going to go right in there and attack that weight line. I'm not really making a hard guide with that 1. I'm just kind of gracing across it, getting out the real dark part, and flicking when I get to that line, as you can see right there. So I have my 1.5 on now, and I'm just kind of going at the darkest part of his hair and just taking off some of the bulk, just so that my fade can just kind of blend all together. And y'all already know this is my favorite part. I'm about to get Low Man overly crispy. Like, I'm touching all of his baby hairs. You never want to go back into his lining. You want to keep it right where it is naturally, because when he gets older, it's not going to look okay because you done cut all the baby hairs off. So we keeping all that hair. I'm amazed at how still he's sitting, because any other day, he does not sit still for me. But I told him I was going to record him and put him on YouTube, so he said he was going to sit still. And he just woke up. That's why he mean mugging y'all like that. So here I'm just going to hit his design with the razor just so I can sharpen it up a little bit and make it really crisp. He has that really nice dark hair, so when you put a design on it, it shows up so nicely, and I love it. Check it out. And so let me know what y'all think in the comments below. Make sure you hit that like button for me, and also don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you can see all of my videos when they post. I stay fresh, gang.
Rocket designer supreme in my bag. I stop to the shop and I give me some swag. Skirt, 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 skirt. I stay fresh, gang.